Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know it kind of looked like I just woke up. I haven't. I'm just like kind of tired still. But today, as you can see, I'm at my stove in the kitchen. I'm going to be doing the pancake art challenge. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to try to make a flower. And the stove is already on. So I'm going to spray it with some pancake mix. Spray. There we go. And now I'm going to start making my flower. Wait until it all, okay. So this is not as thick as I thought it would be. And if you're younger than me, like, if you're like 8 or something, or 7, I recommend you get parents' permission and their help if you're going to do this. I got parents' permission because I'm 10 years old, so that's enough. We'll let that flour, oh my goodness. We're going to let the flour cook and see what happens. Do you guys think it's going to be a fail or a success? I think it's going to be a success, but I've seen a lot of fails on people, but I think it's going to be a success because it's just so small. It kind of reminds me of like a beach flower, but it's not. And by the time I upload this, you guys will be watching it like in the afternoon probably, or like the evening, because I have to edit and stuff. But see how it's doing. Ooh, okay. I have 2 spatulas, so it's better for the grip. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh, that was a fail. That was a fail. Oh my goodness. Where's the other petal? Oh shoot. Where's the other petal? Guys, this is a fail. This is not a pancake. It's going to land fail. Okay. Now we're going to be trying to make, what should we make? I'm going to try to make, the YouTube play button. Just the triangle, yeah. I'm not making like the red oval thing around it. I'm just going to make a triangle. I'm going to try to make the YouTube play button. Hopefully it is a success, like I said. Oh yeah, this is probably going to fail by my shape. Yep, this looks so ugly. Let's just turn it into a, what do you call it? Let's make this a giant cherry. Let's just add a stem to it and call it a cherry. Okay. I don't like cherries though. Okay. Stop dripping. Ugh. Make me sick. Okay. I'm just checking to see where that dripped off. It looks done a little bit. I'm scared to go under. Okay. Maybe the pancake press proved me wrong. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is gonna fail, isn't it? I knew it! I knew it was gonna fail. Ugh. Hey, at least we only lose the stem. Let's just cook the stem and then we'll add it when it's on my plate. Ugh. Look at, what is that? It's like burnt up. Let me get a plate, by the way. I forgot to get a plate because I really want to make this video. Okay. How the heck am I gonna do this? Let's just put it here on the other outlet stove thingy. Looks, oh. do you got that right, Johnny? There we go. And then where the stem broke off, let's get that. Uh-oh. We'll kind of like make it the perfect pancake. Okay. This giant cherry was kind of a fail kind of success. It kind of looks like a pepper, but yeah. Now we are going to be making something else. So we get more pancake mix. And okay, so now I'm going to be trying to make a crescent moon. I'm going to make like a small one in this corner over here. Okay. Okay, this. Okay, let's just get it. And please don't fail on me. Yay! Doesn't really look like a crescent, but at least didn't fail on me this time. I'm gonna get like these ashes. Not a fan of shatters. Okay. We'll clean this up. It's time. Baby. Okay. Stupid. Okay. Now, yeah, that's a success. Okay. Guys, the last thing I'm planning on making is a heart. Yeah, let's make a heart. Don't fail, don't fail. Don't fail on me. Fail on me, I will kill you. I'm joking, I will not kill the pancake mix. Oh my goodness, I just overloaded this. I overloaded my gut, which was so irresponsible, because this is burning my arms. Okay. Okay, there we go. Stop. Okay, I like pancake mix. That was all my pancake mix. So I'm glad this is the last pancake I'm gonna make, because that was all my pancake mix. And I made like the perfect size, because like we didn't have any more pancake mix, so I was like super happy I was doing this challenge. Okay, this heart kind of looks like, a little creative, but it's still pink. Letty flip. Oh, burn. Ugh. Okay. You can see like the line marks in it. So. Okay, but we're gonna wait until it's finished. Ow! That hurts. Okay. Okay. I don't want to see the bottom. Okay, guys, so that was the excess. Oh, shoot. I'm going to turn off this fire, and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed me making this video, the pancake art challenge. So, today I made a crescent moon, a heart. Oh, that's hot. Okay, I did not. Okay. And a giant cherry. So, I'm going to do the taste test. I'm probably going to eat the stem off the giant cherry first. So, yeah, let's go. Yeah, okay. Mmm. It's better than I expected, actually. I thought it was gonna taste like burnt, but it actually tastes pretty good. So yeah. So guys, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!